Mes élèves de français, un bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Joyeux vendredi. Aujourd'hui, today, we are going to review the vocabulary of sport and also how to use verbe faire and future proche with that vocabulary. Bien. For that, we will use the card. You remember you saw these cards? You were supposed to make a flashcard with that. Remember that? And here, see, I removed all the names, not all of them, but the majority of them, and the one I left are the one you know very well. So, and what I ask you to do is to fill here the blank here, with the name of this sport. And you have the list here. So your game, if you can call that a game, will be to put the right name under the picture. This is what you are going to do first. See, you have a few of them. So I said 15 spots here. You'll have to fill the place and to label, like we can say that you will have to label the sport and to make sure that you write the right name. And also when you write the name of the sport, you see, le tennis, I put all the articles here. When you write them there, you need to write them with their article. So it's a way to help you retain the vocabulary, the nouns, with their articles. After you do that, you are going to write, I will say, sentences. And these sentences will be with futur proche and verbe faire. So let's see what it's going to be. It will be here. I say complete the sentences using futur proche and verbe faire to tell the sport these people are going to do. The sport in parentheses doesn't have article. You need to check the list. So the list here, all the time you will have to check that list to make sure that you have the correct article. And don't forget that verb faire is followed by the preposition de, and you know that de is associated with the article. I'm giving you an example here. Monique, and in parentheses, I put judo. What you are going to do is to write is Monique va faire du judo. Simple, correct? I say follow the examples. Some of you, it was so funny, some of you wrote, I put a certain verb, certain sentence, and you transform it the way you want. No. You have to follow the example. And please don't use verbe jouer, because verbe jouer, you don't use it the way you want. It's not easy. Keep using faire. This is what we are doing now. It's faire with preposition de. So you see, Monique, parenthesis, judo. Monique va faire du judo. Adrien, ping-pong. Adrien va faire du ping-pong. And here you have a few sentences to complete. Voila. This is the work for today, and please take the time to retain and to check the vocabulary and to make the flashcards. If you haven't done them, please do that. It's easy. You have already the sheet I gave you the other day with the name, with the nouns, also already at the bottom of the sport, below the sport. So please do your work, okay? Voilà. Bonne journée. Vous avez fini. You are done. Don't forget the exit ticket. And also we have a tutorial this afternoon from 3 to 4. And here you have the link and the password. Je vous souhaite une excellente journée et puis à très bientôt. Au revoir.